Welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to solve a useful problem in JavaScript, finding the first key in an object that matches a specific condition. This is great for quickly retrieving data from your user lists, config files, and much more. We'll take a clean and modern approach using JavaScript's object keys and find methods. Let's jump right in. Our objective is to search through an object's keys and return the first one that passes our test. JavaScript does not store object keys in any guaranteed order, but in practice, insertion order is preserved. This means we can use methods like object keys to treat them like an array. Let's take a closer look at how the code works. This one-liner function is efficient and expressive. We use object keys to extract the object keys, and then find helps us loop through them. Inside the callback, we apply our test function using the current keys value. The first key that passes the test is returned, or undefined if none match. Here's the breakdown. We extract all the keys and apply our test condition as we iterate through them. The loop stops once a match is found, making this an efficient solution. If no key meets the condition, undefined is returned. This is a smart way to interrogate object structures without manual loops. These examples illustrate how the function behaves across various inputs. It always stops at the first matching key. Even if more follow, it is a very useful technique for filtering settings, user data, and more. The final case returns undefined since no value passes the test. You can apply this technique to any place where order matters and the first match counts. Think of detecting settings, checking user permissions, or loading the first active feature in a config file. It's compact, readable, and highly effective for logic-driven apps. Let's summarize everything we've learned. And there you have it, your efficient solution for finding the first key that matches a condition in JavaScript. This trick simplifies code while improving readability and performance. It is a great addition to your functional programming toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.